Hi, Lynn here with Create Whimsy, and today I'm going to show you how to do a folded bottom for a tote bag similar to this. So this bag I used some vintage fabrics with a leather bottom, leather handles, and a leather trim. And you can see that this is how the side looks. I've got another bag here that I've been working on, and it has patchwork with a black leather bottom and riveted black leather handles. So I've already secured this side. So I want to show you how to do it on this other side. So what you want to do is I've stitched along the foam where I want the folds to be on the bag. With right sides together, you want to fold in the foam matching the bottom fold lines for your bag. And then I like to use Wonder Clips to hold these together. You have to kind of squeeze that foam up like that. And then I put another Wonder Clip right here to secure that fold. There we go. And then I go and I sew my side seams.